Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey YouTubers, how are you guys? This is Newton here. Welcome to my channel Light Programmer. Today's topic is use Python as a calculator. Python is a mathematical language, so it has to accept all the mathematical operations. So go to Visual Studio. As you can see over here, we are going to go to Python terminal. So we are inside the Python terminal. So let's go with the simple operators like 2 plus 5, 7, 4 times 6, 24. I'll go with the division. 10 divided by 5, it's 2.0. It's a floating point. Why it is showing, I'm going to explain in the future. If you want only the integer part, for example 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. so if you want only 2, okay, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, so double division, so you will get 2, as you can see. So there is one more operator, 5 module times 2. 5 module 2 is nothing but this is the remainder, okay, whatever the output you are getting from the module is remainder. Let's try with the simple example as well right now. 10 minus 8 times 20, what we are hoping is for 40, but let's see over here. First 8 times 20 is going to compute, and the 8 times 20 is 160, so 10 minus 160 is 150. So if we want our desired option, just go with the parenthesis times 20. Now whatever we are hoping for, you're going to get 40. Okay, let's try with this example. Okay, so what we are hoping for is that first 10 minus 6, then division, then 20 times 40. Let's try 8.0. First it is doing this division and then times 40. Okay, so I have written a program, just a simple program over here. Basically it is taking input from the user first name, second name, and the operator. I'm converting this as a string, and this is a string that we are hoping for, but it won't print what we are expecting, but eval function is going to do that for us. So let's try with this. I'm going to get out of this Python terminal. Let's run this program. Okay, after running this, it will ask for 1 and the second number and the operator. So I'm going to do as a positive just for now. You can try with anything, it will work. As you can see over here, final output, this is not what we are expecting for, but this is what we are expecting for. As you can see over here, final output of this is a string. Basically it will return the integer from the string after evaluating that function, after evaluating that string basically. So you can see over here, this is what we are desiring for. You can try with any other, it will work, and the type is an integer. As you can see, this is what we are hoping for, so we got that. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below, and like, share, subscribe to my channel.
Zombie apocalypse.